Standard 9, Subject History and Political Science, Chapter 2, India Events after 1960. Dear children, here we are going to learn about events taken place in India after 1960. We all know that our country, India, got independence in the year 1947 and became a sovereign nation in the year 1950. Above all, our nation is treasured with multi language, multi religion, multiculture, and traditions with multi landforms. Multi specialities got destructed by all the foreign rulers. During the initial period after independence, India needed to solve different issues of economic, political, and social development. We wanted to establish an economy based on social justice through planning. For this, the National Planning Commission was established that would coordinate development through the policy of 5-year plans. The 1960s. The first government was led under the Prime Ministership of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who was also called the architect of India's foreign policy. His contribution to the social and economic development of India is significant. Jawaharlal Nehru was passed away in 1964 and he was succeeded by Lal Bahadur Shastri as PM. Under Shastri's in 1965, there was a war between India and Pakistan over the Kashmir issue. To highlight the importance of Indian soldiers and farmers, he gave the slogan of Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. Lal Bahadur Shastri breathed his last at Tashkent in 1966. After Lal Bahadur Shastri, Indira Gandhi became the PM of India in 1966. During her tenure, India was affected by the crisis in East Pakistan because of millions of refugees came to India during the movement in East Pakistan, now called Bangladesh, led by Sheikh Mujibur Rahman and his organization Mukti Bahini. Again in 1971, there was war between India and Pakistan, resulted to the creation of an independent country called Bangladesh. India conducted tests of an atomic device at Pokhran in Rajasthan in 1974 for first time. In 1975, Sikkim became a state in the Indian Federation. In 1971, the Allahabad High Court gave the verdict that Indira Gandhi, then Prime Minister, had misused the government machineries during her election campaign. National emergency was declared in 1975, which lasted till 1977. During this period, all the fundamental rights and human rights were restricted. On the backdrop of emergency, the Congress party saw its defeat under the leadership of Indira Gandhi. A new party called the Janata Party was formed by the togetherness of many opposition parties under the leadership of Morarji Desai, and the party came to the government and Prime Minister was Morarji Desai. But in very short period there was internal dispute and could not last longer. He was succeeded by Charan Singh and even his government was a short lived one. Election was conducted once again in 1980 and the Congress party under the leadership of Indira Gandhi came to power again. The event of 1980s and 1990s will be continued in our next video. Thank you.